So there you have it. Alright, yo, what is up? Welcome to another video, and this time the video is going to be on the 1998 Suzuki SIDEKICK Sport, which I just got. This car's been in the family for a lot of years and years, ever since we've been living here. You know, back in Costa Rica, the Suzukis, they're everywhere. Like in every photo, you'll look for a photo of Costa Rica, you'll see a Suzuki SIDEKICK. You see a video, you'll see a Suzuki SIDEKICK, you know? And yeah, so for this one, it's got 244,000 miles on it. It's automatic, it's a two-wheel drive, right? So it's not the desirable, you know, four-wheel drive, stick shift. For that reason, we're just gonna restore it. We're just gonna lower it a little bit. And as you can see, looking pretty incomplete inside because the door cards, we took them off a while ago. We were gonna wrap them. This was like 2 years ago, but then we couldn't find the correct, you know, material for it. It was too thick, the one we bought, and so I'm gonna have to go find a new one and just rewrap them and get everything inside looking mint. So recently I've done some few changes. I got a subwoofer installed in the back over there. We got a new head unit, which is pretty good. It works with Bluetooth. Let's see. Oh, we also got the new side view mirror that my dad found, which was pretty hard to find in the same color because I broke the other one, like right there. We also got the new steering pump lines because those are... Yeah, so here's the thing too. I used to hate this car. My dad used to drive it back in the day, years ago, right? I used to hate it, but I don't know, the love grew in me. A little things that my dad did a long time ago, and I helped him with this. We put a roof rack, you know, it's got the Yakima roof rack. We tinted it, and we painted the bumpers black with plastic, which I need to respray because they're kind of old now and they're kind of fading, and it made it look pretty good because, you know, they come with the gold, the Suzuki SIDEKICK Sport, because there's a Suzuki SIDEKICK, then there's the Sport. But yeah, so the main purpose of this video, and this is probably gonna be a couple more, we're gonna be restoring this. Like, find this, find the vents, because I want them to be looking mint. Also, it has 244,000 miles, like I just said, but I got a engine from a Suzuki Aero, I think it is, which is a 2.3 or 2.5. I'm not really sure now, but I have it in the garage for when this one decides to go to sleep forever. And this one's a 1.8, so it's gonna make it a little bit quicker, not too much. You know, these cars are slow, but they're cool, and that's what I like about them. Just they're cool. I don't know, I feel like they're kind of unique in a way. A lot of people don't like them. A lot of people, they say like, oh, it looks like a post office car or whatever. And by the way, I'm at the post office right now. But yeah, so come check it out and let's see what we're gonna do. And follow the video, subscribe, like, and let's do it. Alright, so here it is, the Suzuki SIDEKICK Sport that I just got. So pretty much the things that we're gonna do, just gonna be restoring the whole bumpers. We're gonna restore the whole bumpers. We're gonna wax it, we're gonna wash it, and restore the whole paint, right? Let's see, these are pretty old. These are pretty toasty. So we'll have to do something with that. But pretty much this is it right here. One thing we're gonna do, we're gonna lower it. See, so I'm gonna get some lowering springs, maybe like an inch. Maybe like an inch. You know, so it sits a little better. And it's not so tall because this is not a four-wheel drive. There's a two-wheel drive. And it's automatic, so it doesn't matter. We're just gonna go for the stance. It's not an off-roader. But here it is. It's a pretty cool car. You barely see them. It's hard to really see them on the streets. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna have to fix that. But here you have it. So it's new to me, 1998 Suzuki Sports Sidekick. And the thing is, we're gonna be doing a full restoration on it because I just got it passed from my dad. He just gave it to me. It's been in his possession for a long time, and it's time to make it a little cooler, you know, put a little bit of my taste into it, because he never let me do anything into it because it was his. Obviously he's got another one. He's got a red one with really low miles that he found. So yeah, tune in for all the videos. And you know, it's got really good paint. The only little thing that it could have that's pretty messed up is right here. That's pretty messed up. And yeah, it looks pretty cool. I'm thinking some black wheels. I'm thinking painting the wheels black, or maybe just leaving like this. I don't know. That's another thing that I want to do. Maybe paint them. And yeah, check it out. Plastic dip's peeling, so I need to repaint all the plastic dip, so fade it. And I think with black wheels, like some satin wheels, it's gonna look cool. You know, drop it like an inch or two and just restore it. And stay tuned for the videos. Okay, so this is another Suzuki that we've had for a long time because we have swapped the engine on it off of it for another Suzuki that was sold. So this one's been in the garage for a long time, and just now we're just gonna part it out, all the parts that we need, and then we're just gonna call the junkyard to pick it up. Also, that's my dad's other one right there. So alright, as you can see, this is the door right here. So like I was saying, this is the door that we wrapped first, but the material was way too thick. Way too thick, so it wasn't really working too well over here in this part. This, the original ones that came with it, right? So they were all messed up over here where the arm goes. And this right here, pretty sure it's yeah, this is a different one that we haven't put on, which I think this is the one that's gonna work very well. So yeah, like I said, I have everything there, and that's what we're gonna get started with this next episode coming up. We're gonna rewrap them and we're gonna put them in the car. Yeah, so it's officially mine now, so I can do whatever I want to. No, I won't be riding it out like my Golf right there. I won't be doing that. But yeah, so enjoy, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, whatever. Let's do this, and hope to see you in the next video.